ain't doing that shit. Nah, fuck that. That boy tripping.
So we are debating if we're gonna do it. He says he's not scared.
Not even scared a little
He
bit.
just don't want to get wet. That's bullshit.
It's not even like, look at the sun. It's cloudy in this
I don't
bitch.
care. The hotel is like 6 minutes away.
Yo, if it was beautiful out here, I would get in
He's a
immediately.
fucking liar. He's scary.
Ain't no scared. What's that? 30 feet? That's easy.
So wait, so if I do it, you're gonna do it?
If you did it, I'd have to do it. You got a towel? My towel is in my fucking suitcase.
You hear?
You got a towel?
Do you hear all the excuses right now?
Ain't no excuses. Ain't no fear that exists within me. What up? Oh, that bitch crazy.
Oh, she knows how. Come on.
Come back up.
Yo, he said he's gonna go do it, and then I'm not gonna do it. All right, go.
Sometimes you just gotta be the leader, all right? When they're scared, as a man, you persevere. He said go do that.
So I'm waiting, and this motherfucker is not jumping. He said that. So he went and did the 3 feet one. 3 feet. So I'm gonna have to show him how it's done.
The guy told me to go take some practice ones. That was it. I'm back up in there though.
It's because you were scared.
Let go. Let go, Melly. Tired of your shit, woman. Tired of it.
He's scared. He did it. Where you at? Waiting for him to come back. How was it? It hurt?
Tougher than I thought, but I want to do it again.
You say harder than you thought?
Yeah, but I want to do it again. All right, your turn.
Are you gonna go from the big one?
I don't know yet. Hey, I'll probably do
It's
it.
probably the same.
Your turn.
So I guess I gotta go do it. I'm nervous as fuck, but I'm gonna do it from the big one.
You gonna do it from the big one?
Once and for all. Don't ask me for nothing else.
That's it? After that?
The big one, one time.
Like a
One
thug.
time. That's it.
All right.
Alright.
What's your last words?
Stop, don't say that.
So when you get up there, they gotta have a sign up there that you gotta read. The
Okay.
sign low-key fucked me up.
It's like if you die, it's on you.
It's like you can get back injury, spinal cord injury, you can get head trauma, your shit could explode, your ligaments can blow out your back. Go read that first, and then go stand over the corner. Shit gets real.
I'm a jump. That's the type of guy I am. Don't do any type of like challenge with me. I'm a go. Got it, right? But then I was like,
Come on, Melly. Now, she's not gonna go off of the big one. She has second thoughts regarding that. Now she's going off the small one. Let's see if she got it. That anxiety's starting to creep in. She got it. She got it.
so I went. I did it.
Hey. Hey, yeah, you did.
So are you doing the, what is it, 85?
No, the 85 we're not doing. That's the 85 way the hell up there. We ain't doing that one. There's the 45 right over there we gonna do.
Are you doing 45?
I don't know, you gonna do it?
I don't know.
I may do it, my bad.
Yeah?
I think I may. Why not at this point? Fuck it, we here.
Yo, when I got up there, I was like, hey! I was like, yo, it's scary when you get up there, but I was like, don't think, just jump.
Yeah, you can't think about it. You gotta just go. There's no amount of like preparation, and it's all in your head, honestly. Besides that sign up there, that sign make it real as fuck. You might die if you do this shit.
Hey.
A bad thing. gonna be on. Hey.
Okay.
Welcome to Jamaica.
I'm a person like this, you're dancing to Cardi B. Okay. Hey. All right.
Hey, in the sunset though.
Yeah, it's gone.
Out here living. Influencer lifestyle. No, we don't use that word.
We're not.
That's not, I'm just joking. All right.